comes. Here comes that girl again. One of the cutest since I don't know when. But she don't notice me when I pass. She goes with all the...
Oh my god. Go to the break.